Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty, and today we are in
Apalachicola Bay.
And you know, right now we wanted to just take a minute to say thank you for putting up with us through this beginning of this intro, because we got our backs to the wind so you can actually hear us, but the sacrifice is, yeah, you can already see it. You can't see our faces with the sun behind us. So we're gonna show you this really cool property that we just sold in Apalachicola and give you a drone's eye view of the surrounding area. So check it out, you guys, and enjoy.
There he goes. That's 146 Bay Avenue in the historic district of Apalachicola, where we can get the best oysters ever.
If you guys haven't visited Apalachicola yet, look at how cute this area is. The oysters at the restaurants you get here are just phenomenal.
Oh, a local recommended us. We've been there. What is Lynn's Oysters?
Yeah, Lynn's Oyster Bar. That is really good.
That was phenomenal. And you can sit with a water view as well, because they are waterfront property.
So I just want to show you guys how few bayfront homes there are here. And it is such a treat that we were able to be part of this transaction. In the historic district, there is really not that many homes here. And then to have waterfront, absolutely incredible, exquisite.
I know our customer's gonna love this property. It's gonna be their vacation home.
This bridge right here, center of the screen, that actually leads over to East Point. And look at from the base of the bridge here in the upper left screen, and then just count how many docks you see going out over the water here on the bay here. Not very many. That should give you guys an idea of how special this location is.
If you ever wonder how far we will go to find you the right property, here's an example.
Absolutely. So we're gonna come in for one final wave.
So you can tell you guys, if you like this video, would like to see any others, please click the like button, the subscribe button. Our contact information is below, and we're gonna go grab some oysters now.
All right, you guys.
I'm hungry.
We will catch you on the next one.
Bye-bye for now.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Did you already say that?
I did, I did.
Well, I was trying to fly the drone, so thanks for having fun with us and sticking all the way to Apalachicola this time. See you next time.